Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust gain for Steelseries Arctis 7 wireless. And to do this, here in GG app, you can download this app from Steelseries website. We want to go for the sonar. Inside, select the preset you want to change the gain for. So, for example, I'm going to go for game. There's chat, media, and aux and mic, but these two options are, you can change it only in aux, media, chat, and game. Microphone is a microphone, so there's no gain for it. There's a noise gate, but it's something else. Okay, now select the preset, scroll down, you should find gain, volume boost, and adjust it with a slider. If you set it to 0, it should be disabled, and if you increase it, you will hear a slight noise, audio increase in volume for your headphones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.